Today, right here in the state of Maryland, it's going to be 82 degrees, mostly cloudy. Feels like 90 degrees. But the scattered rain showers are expected. The high will be 92 degrees. So yesterday, overnight, it was storming outside. However, it's going to be light rain showers for today with 92 degrees. Let's go over to the radar. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, that we're going to have a scattered rain showers moving across the area in Maryland. So as you can see here, we do have a little bit of rain in Cumberland. On the other side of Maryland, we do have a medium rain. You notice in Delaware that we do have a lightning storm. So the rain is picking up. So that's the other side of Maryland. That's the way down Maryland. But later on, it's going to be rain. And also, what the highly recommend for you, ladies and gentlemen, you need an umbrella and clothing, shorts, and the outdoors that are great. But we will say that it's not going to be great because it's going to be wet outside later on. With the wind. So the highest number is going to be in Pocomoke City, Salisbury, and Cumberland. So I'll say it again. With 10 that are going to be in Pocomoke City, Salisbury, and Cumberland. 3 miles per hour in Frederick, 7 in BWI, Hagerstown 5, Washington 4, Easton 8, and Lexington Park 9. Now clouds are going to be moving. So everywhere in the state of Maryland, clouds are going to be moving on the northeast side. The counties that there are going to be clouds, which is in Prince George County, Queen Anne's County, Talbot, Cecil, Hartford, Baltimore, Frederick, Carroll, Washington, Garrett, Allegheny, Montgomery, Howard, and so on. That we do have clouds are moving. So this was earlier that we do have clouds. But right now, it's clouds right now if you look outside. With the humidity, we're showing nearly 80%, more than 70%, more than 80, and showing of nearly 70%. With the visibility, we're mostly on the gray stuff. However, we do have Garrett County that are going to be on the green stuff, the blue and purple. So is Queen Anne's County and Prince George. We do have the green stuff on the other side of Maryland. So other than that, the numbers, we do have more than 12.4 mile. More than 12.4 mile, but however, we're going to have nearly 20 mile. With the sea level pressure, going to be the silver that are going to be with nearly the 30s. So we do have mostly on the 30s. Well, we mean nearly 30s mostly. Just 2 inch closer and 1 inch closer. However, in Salisbury, Pocomoke City, and Cumberland, we do have more than 30 inch. So that's the sea level pressure. The dew point, we're showing the green and yellow. So we do have the 70s, nearly 80s. So that's the only location that's in Washington. Cumberland showing with nearly a 3-inch closer to 70 degrees. But 70 degrees in Hagerstown. Other than that, we're showing mostly of more than 70s. The air quality, we're showing the green stuff. However, the yellow showing 54 moderate, where the air quality is acceptable. However, members of sensitive groups may be at risk. Limit activity if sensitive. Close windows and doors. You don't have to open it. You don't have to close it though. But yeah, you just have to close the doors and windows. Now back to the numbers. So we're showing the mostly on the green stuff. Except the 50s in Washington and Baltimore BWI Airport. Alright. Showing 38 Cumberland, Hagerstown 22, Frederick 25, Easton 28, Salisbury 26, Pocomoke City 23, and finally Lexington Park 25. Now with the pollen. So we're definitely showing mostly on the green stuff that are low. So if you guys are new at this, or if you may have seen before, you know that low, it's the color of green. So green represents low. We do have the yellow stuff of the moderate, which is in Cecil and Hartford, Allegheny County, Garrett County, on the light yellow, almost towards green. So we call it lime green. And then temperatures are going to be warm. Last night, we do have a warm nighttime. So nighttime it was warmer, not cold. So temperatures are going to be warmer for today, and so it's overnight and tomorrow. Now the numbers. So if you live in Garrett County, you will have that are going to be on the 50s, 60s, and 70s. In Cumberland, we're showing nearly 80s. We'll get to the numbers. However, we do have yellow are going to be on the 80s, nearly 80s, and more than 80s. And then 85, we're showing the orange, like in Lexington Park, Salisbury, and Easton, and Georgetown in Delaware. And Dover, if you live in Dover in Delaware, you will have 84 degrees Fahrenheit. Same thing goes to in Washington, showing the orange of 84 degrees. So temperatures are going to be hot and warm, but it's going to be rain soon. So we're mostly on the 80s. However, we do have more than 70s in Oakland, mostly cloudy. So we're showing mostly cloudies in all of these locations. We already covered Oakland, Maryland, with mostly cloudy with 72 degrees. So we do have mostly cloudy in Perryville, Frederick, Cumberland, Westminster, Washington, Annapolis, Easton, Rock Hall, Elton, and Bel Air. However, even though that there's 80s in Hagerstown, but it's going to be partly sunny. So that's the only one location that you will have partly sunny. Now with the historical weather. Alright. So with the average, we're definitely showing 0.12 inch, record showing 0.61 inch with a year of 1951. With the average and record showing there's nothing with the snow. With average 68.7%, record showing 90.7% with the year of 1984. Average showing 5.4 miles per hour, record showing 9 miles per hour. And then record high, you're not going to believe this, 100 degrees even with a year of 2012. Average low, 63 degrees with the year of 1989. Average high, 88 degrees. Average low, 71 degrees. Now showing with the high temperatures, so max going to be 100, average 66, 24 minutes. Low temperatures, max 82, average 49, 14 minutes. Precipitation, max 2.37, average 0.15, no minutes. With the wind, with the miles per hour, max showing 17.2, average 6.94, and 2 minutes. So, it's going to be a scattered rain showers are expected. The high will definitely be 92 degrees. The night, expect scattered rain showers. The low will be 65 degrees. Like we've been telling you, outdoor data are great, but just ignore it because it's not going to be great because if you go outside, you will be wet. Get wet. However, you need to have an umbrella. In clothing, you have to wear shorts. Heat stroke, it's danger. With the sun and moon for today, sunrise 5:43 a.m., sunset 8:36 p.m., moonrise 1:29 a.m., and finally moonset 3:23 p.m. So today is going to be rain showers. However, it's going to be mostly cloudy around 82. But we will say that we're going to stick with 92 degrees, light rain showers for today. Tomorrow is going to be sunny around 81 degrees. Now the rest of the forecast, listen carefully. Tuesday, 85 degrees, sunny. Sunny on Wednesday with 87. And then mostly sunny will be 92. Friday, it's going to be partly sunny around 93 degrees. And finally, with the rain showers, will be 94 degrees on Saturday. Now here are the breakdowns. So for today and Saturday will be light rain showers. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will be sunny. The only mostly sunny that we're going to get is on Thursday. And then partly sunny, that's the only way they're going to be on Friday. I want you ladies and gentlemen to stay dry at your house.